Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to make money with affiliate marketing and turn your passion into profit. Let's get started. First things first, what is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through their unique affiliate links. Select a niche you're passionate about. Your success often hinges on your knowledge and enthusiasm for the products or services you promote. This will make your content more authentic and relatable. Research affiliate programs that align with your niche. There are numerous affiliate networks and companies offering a wide range of products and services. Choose those that resonate with your target audience. Create a platform to reach your audience. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, or a strong social media presence. Consistent and valuable content is key to attracting and retaining followers. Produce quality content. Whether it's in the form of blog posts, video reviews, or social media updates, your content should provide value, inform, and inspire your audience to act. Integrate affiliate links strategically within your content. Be transparent with your audience that you may earn a commission and ensure the products you promote align with their needs. Use tracking and analytics tools to monitor your performance. Understand what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding path to financial success if approached with dedication and authenticity. Find your niche, create valuable content, and always prioritize the needs of your audience. Keep learning and adapting to stay ahead in the affiliate marketing game. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Best of luck with your affiliate marketing journey, and remember, the sky's the limit.